to troll your friend with 3 extensions. Like this extension can change any website text to some alien language, or this one that delete the cursor and bring it back, or even shift the whole entire cursor to random emoji. And the last one can delete any website content and bring it back again. Keep watching until the end because I'm going to merge all these extensions together. Alright, let's start with deleting the website. First, let's create the event listener. Give it a function, name it delete page HTML. Now create the timer. Now let's test the extension. Go to Twitter. Let's give it some time. We'll delete the page. And it got deleted. Now let's update the code to restore the website. Let's change this function. Create a new function, delete and restore page HTML. Create the variables. Create the timeout. Now let's test it on Reddit. Let's give it more time because we have the time deleted.
Whoa. I got you, homie.
And it disappeared. Just wait for a minute. Again, just like that. For the second extension, it's gonna be a cursor remover. First, let's create the function, toggle cursor, then create the timeout, then call the function. Let's activate the extension. And then let's test it. Just watch the cursor on YouTube, my channel. Cursor is gonna disappear just like that. Now let's update the code to change the cursor to an emoji. It's working.
Whoa.
By the way, you can use the emoji as a cursor normally.
Pizza time.
Alright, now let's make the text website changer. Create the code for it, just like that. Style.css. Let's activate the extension. Bro, this looks cursed. Like a horror movie. Looks like an alien language. Oh my god, this looks terrifying. Just imagine the reaction of your friend. Oh my god. Alright, let's go to my YouTube channel.
You don't want to be like this. This is disgusting.
Comment this and then create 10 scam, copy it. And then let's search for the extension just like that. Yes, I know they are scam.
Yeah. Sorry.
Now time to merge the extensions. Let's create the ultimate extensions and name it extension 123. First, let's paste the code from the cursor remover and then the code from website deleter. And the last one is the website text changer. Let's create the function to call them with the timeout. This is gonna be easy. This is gonna work at the first time. I'm pretty sure.
Why would you say that?
Alright, I updated the code and did some changes. Like I removed the restore website because it's not gonna work. Let's go test the extension and an error. This color is not supposed to be the first one that appear. Yeah, I have to change this color. Okay, let me update this and delete the style.css. Now time for some debugging. Yes, I debug in Google Translate. Shut up.
We do not care.
Oh, it's working.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Wait, it's showing here this is working. Why is not working? The text is changed. Oh my god, this is what I hate in this. Yes, it changed. Why it's not working? The text is changing in the console. Why? Why this happening to me? Refresh again. Wait, what the fuck is happening?
How?
Guys, look at this.
Look at this.
Oh my god. Guys, I promise you, I'm not hacking.
I'm here to tell you right now.
After 2 hours and a half of debugging and banging my head against the wall, I finally made it working. I don't know how, but the code is working now. I also updated the cursor to change to an emoji, and yes, this is the final code. Alright, this is the final result. Let's test the extension. By the way, how it's work, every time your friend refresh the page, a random event happen, like text changer or the cursor change to an emoji, or disappear cursor, or delete the entire page. It's not gonna restore again because I removed that. It's not gonna work in all websites. I want to show you a demo of the extension. I'm refreshing to get all the events. This exchanger, as you can see, I want to get the page to disappear. Pizza. Please disappear. I don't have time.
I'm here to tell you right now.
Yes, the page is disappear. Have to refresh again to make it reappear again. Please like and subscribe. I want to get 1000 subscribers before the end of this year. And if this video got 100 likes, I will make another extension video.